Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. A 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4 with an automatic transmission, and it also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and in the XTR package, which adds a little shine with a chrome grille, bumper, handles, running board, and tow hooks. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your power pedals are located here, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that'll appear. And we can toggle through that. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. You also have an automatic select shifter. When you press the end, it'll have tow haul right beside the odometer reading, and then S for sport and off again. In the center, you have a little bit of a cubby to put items, hill descent, traction control, and hazard lights. You have a touch screen. We can touch on sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and the map will appear there. And then when we put our vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And then you can also go into your settings and slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, you can change the look of your display screen, and so forth. Here's your volume and tuner, CD player, and down below is your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as your front and your rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And then in the center, a couple of USB and the 12-volt outlet, and there's a little bin there. In the center, you have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up for more storage, and then flip the seat right up. You've got another seating position with a seat belt, unclip underneath. Lots of storage down there, plus you got a couple of cup holders you can flip right out. You also have a 12-volt off to the side, locking glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have your backup camera just below the handle, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice lined box, tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply put your hand underneath and just give it a push up, and then when you want to bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you have an all-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, some pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, there's a 12-volt and a couple of cup holders, grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window with rear defrost. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.